local opposition to data centers is surging. And so in Q1 of this year, there were 20 data centers that were canceled after facing some kind of local opposition. That might sound like a lot. It is. I'd say last in Q4 of 25, 12 data centers were canceled after facing some kind of opposition. In Q3 of 25, it was a little less than that. It was 11. And in Q2, it was less than 5 data centers were canceled. So we're watching the number of cancellations per quarter surge. And just to put some numbers on this, to put a final bow on this, maybe last year in all of 2025, there were 25 data centers that we found that were canceled after facing some kind of local opposition. So first of all, in Q1 of this year, there were 20. So we're almost about to break 2025's record just in Q1. We probably already have, just out of cancellations in April and May. And second of all, we're very, very close. We're just watching the opposition here surge. And I think we're watching opposition surge beyond the number of projects that are actually being planned. The other big number that came out in our reporting was that in Q1, there were 100 new permitting battles over data centers. And that was also significantly higher than the 78 or so, 75 that were in Q4 and the roughly 50 that were in Q3. And so if you think about Q3 of last year to Q1 of this year, we're watching the number of new fights that we see in the database. That's local opposition to data centers, not cancellations, but just fights overall has doubled since in just the past 6 months.